everyone, you're welcome back. My name is Lila. So, if you live in Accra, that is the biggest city in Ghana, or if you've ever visited, one thing is prevalent. You can't possibly miss it, and that is street food that is literally in the middle of the street. Here in Ghana, especially at big traffic lights, where there is some kind of traffic, you find a lot of food being sold in the middle of the street. You can bet you find something. You can skip a meal at home and decide to get a drink in the streets whilst driving. You will get it. So we're going to try what food is in the streets whilst people drive, and then I'm going to show you. There are quite some interesting things. I'm going to show you what we have here. Okay, so yeah, let's go and enjoy. What's up, say? What's on my field? What's up, say? What's up, Miss Me? Mate, Oma, who bear fesa? Who's right out of my home? That man, we talk Oceanic. I'm here. But I'm telling you, I talk Oceanic. I'm a one, no money too. No one can ask for back home. Yeah, Frosty. Salome. Oh, any cow. Salome, tell you my Oh, wow. We had you. So this is hard-boiled eggs, and then we put pepper inside.
Pepper, onion, fresh pepper.
Fresh. So Salome then
Onion, and pepper.
Not pepper. Okay. So this is like hard-boiled eggs, and then they put onions and then pepper in it. It's quite tasty. This is my favorite. Like, and Salome tells me this is like her. This is how she earns a living. This is her livelihood. Yeah. Salome made anyway. Mommy made medium.
Eat and
let me taste it. Salome wants me taste and then give her feedback on her pepper and her egg. So this is how it looks like basically. Salome was talking saying 2 city 50 pesos. Yeah, so one is 2 city 50 pesos.
It's sweet. It's sweet like you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
This thing doesn't disappoint. When I started the video, I was looking forward to this.
Yeah. This now you what's your name?
Lila.
Your name is sweet.
Hey, they are the tight. Yes, tight. But also, where did they? It's some enquiries. It's some margarine, sugar. Hey. Okay, so she tells me like this is a tide, and then it's flour with sugar, margarine, and egg, sugar, margarine, and eggs. Oh, okay. Let me taste it. Oh, the one away. My head. And it's so many markings. I'm turning Accra. Ever say Agnes. Ejuma waye. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So Agnes tells me she's a seamstress, but like the work is slow now. She's not making a lot of money, so she does this on the side as well. One of the tides was it's going for 5 cities each. Water will drink water, or maybe Small one.
Small one, 250 pesos.
Okay.
Awake. Awake. And also,
So
awake.
awake. Yo, if Pacha say.
Maybe patient.
Patient. Hey, I cry here now free.
That's what I do.
Hey, who free no about?
If you are you cool.
Hey,
And that's one.
well done. Patient so quite well. Now the pay them on cry. Oh, baby pa. Oh. It's almost a boy now on cry. I was a boy now on cry. And I made the power on cry. Maybe man to say. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, the Yamias. I call you a
Traffic and then I say.
I say, and Chibi.
And chibi. Jamaya break Accra.
Oh, first me the name you can. It's going to car.
And then the police is going to stop.
At least I'm talking. Yeah,
They said they would TV.
send you out to see Anka and when you can cross our shell for us.
But I do with your
Okay, yeah, that's it.
I could see an addy. I'm not
Yeah,
going to
talk
see.
to see. Yeah, talk to see. That's why. Thank you. So we got a bottle of water for 2 CD 50 pesos. Yeah. No, mommy, back on country, back on three. Okay. My brand is good back. Okay. Hey, the April. Let me see. Oh, okay. So, this is I think corn that's cooked with some peanuts. Maybe I need Indian answer. Or should he be? Should be it? No. When you dey situate woman ni bi no. When you dey situate woman ni bi no. Enti mo te try ni enti mo dey bro no. Okay. Apa ho. When you cut to ya tutun. Ya tutun. Fresh. So this is like peanut with corn. Peanut with corn, fresh corn that's been wrapped and then boiled together. I thought it would have a sweet taste, but it doesn't. It rather tastes kind of sour. It has a sour taste. Yeah, I'll say that. It has a sour taste. Oof, I cry here. That's what way. Why are you? Oh wow. She's been selling it for about 40 years now, and she started selling when over 40 years. Wow, she started selling it when she was a child. So yeah, that's what she's been doing all her life. Daddy. Soya beans. Hey, Pacha, okay, mommy back. What are you saying?
2 cities.
2 city. Okay, me talk about farmer. Why? Also talk about. So this is soya bean. And I did make soya bean here, yeah. Oh, okay.
Somebody who's no Maya. It's no more you milk, no more you milk now. No more they see that.
Okay.
See, a man need to say Kusiano. So that because you are good for you now. Son of me.
No matter.
No master. I shall bottle no more. Actually, you nephew. So much to my son, a chicha.
Okay.
Nay, I say, you are the best for you when he has had.
Wow. What on you say?
May 1 year.
Hey. Soya bean. Soya bean. I was assumed it was some chicken kebab or something, but no, it's actually soya bean, and it's quite tasty. She was trying to explain to me the process, but it's soya bean that's been stewed with some vegetables and then some spices on it. So yeah, it was tasty. Let's go and try something else. 2 cedi. My 2. Me pa try di den eh.
Yeah. Katie ni ebro.
And cut any bro.
Shall be at Mount Zion, which cannot be removed,
Spices.
abandoned forever.
And cut your bro.
As the mountains are round about Jerusalem, so the Lord.
So at this point, my microphone had died on me. This is called adakwa in Ghana, and the lady was explaining to me that they use maize, granules, ginger, pepper, and some spices in making it. It is quite tasty, and one is going for 2 Ghana cedis.
All right, guys. So I think that's enough food for one morning. I'm quite full. But yeah, we are in the streets of Accra and I've tasted quite a number of things. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.